Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In today's video, we're going to cover widgets. To begin, we need to log into your website. So from your site overview, please click on Edit Site. Now that we have logged into the editor, on the left sidebar, you can see the widget option. When I click on widgets, it's going to slide a panel out that shows me all of the available widgets that I can use in my Book Like a Boss website. The ones that you use most frequently in your account will be displayed at the top, and then they're going to be categorized as you scroll down: popular, layout, basics, advanced, media, etc. To utilize a widget in your site, you simply need to click on the widget you wish to use, click and hold, and then drag it, and wherever you see that blue line is where it will drop when you release it. So if I want it under this paragraph, I will release it, and I now have added my button. You can see a small box popped up with button content options. Now, if I close that box, you can also see that when you click on the actual widget, you have Design and Manage Button. Clicking on Manage Button is going to take you to the content choices. Click here to talk, and then you can link that somewhere. Now, if I click on Design Options, that's going to slide out all of the aesthetic options: alignment, spacing, font, size, color, even the shape of the button, whether you want it rectangular or pill-shaped like this. In addition, all widgets once placed can be manually resized by clicking and holding on the bottom right corner and dragging and moving that. And then if you click on the top, you could also move it up and down, and you could also move them in and out. So you have a lot of flexibility visually as well. When you're clicked on the widget, in addition to managing the content and design elements, you can move the widget up and down. You can add new widgets from here. You can certainly duplicate widgets, delete widgets, and then the three dots will provide you with additional choices as well. If widgets are existing on your page and you simply want to work with that widget, you simply click on the widget. Social icon widget, edit design, manage icons. Manage icons is the content side of the widget. And then when I click design, the panel comes out giving me all of my aesthetic choices: colors, fonts, shapes, and sizes, and so forth. So again, to recap, widgets are accessed on the left bar. You simply drag and drop the widget where you would like it on the page. If you are wondering if a widget exists, we have a very handy search function at the top. So I just searched Facebook, and I can see 4 Facebook widgets appear. And then again, when I'm wanting to work with a widget that I've put on the site or one that's existing, you simply click on the widget. And when you do so, you will get 2 options: Manage Button and Edit Design. All widgets, the first option to manage is going to be the content of the widget: what it does, what it says, where it links. And then again, the design is all about the aesthetics of the widget.